Hello riders, it's Josh from CycleHunters.com. Today, this is a little bit of a treat, something a little bit off the beaten path. Today, it is a 2014 Yamaha FZ09. However, this FZ09 is just a little bit different than your regular ones that you've seen because this is extremely well painted into this anthracite gray. Kind of see the flake there? Yeah, it is stunning with this gray and the carbon bits all over it. Some of the gold accents for the peg. There's your Yosh pipe. You have your aftermarket rear sets, Brembo cylinder. I mean, this thing just looks good with the gold. A little bit of red. It's, yeah, very well done. Very tasteful. But as we get into this, so there you got to drink that in real quick. Now this does have the bar end mirrors, so all kinds of little aftermarket bits and pieces. You know, even up to the tail section, so you have the tail delete. This thing is a gorgeous bike, and it sounds amazing. So as we get into this, as we get a little closer to that, you're going to see, oh yeah, the triple cylinder is amazing. Yamaha hadn't built a triple in 36 years until they built these. And it is a really, really cool return for them. It's not the old smokers like they used to have in the triple cylinders with the two strokes back in the day. No, this is a modern 4-stroke, 120-degree crank, 12 valve per cylinder, 847cc motor. So it is legit. It runs like a top. These things are just, yeah, you'll see. You'll hear it. They make a very special sound to them. Very similar to their counterparts that they are competing against, which is the Triumph. See your shock in there. So, bike produces about 115 brake horsepower, 64.5 foot-pounds of torque. You know, you're going to have a lot of power down low because of the style of the 120-degree crank. You know, the whole idea for these, we talk about them as a hooligan to some degree. You can, you know, wheelie these things all over if you want. That it does have that kind of a feel, especially when you're revving it. But for everyday riding, it's a great bike. You can just jump on it and kind of go and enjoy it. Look at that sprocket. It's a nice Vortex sprocket with that color combo. Tastefully done. Good looking bike. Oh, there's a little blemish right there. It's not much for any of that stuff on this bike. I mean, it is pristine except for that little thing right there. That was about it. Gorgeous bike. A lot of people love these motors. That's for sure. When you twist a throttle on a triple, it does inspire you because it sings a song that only a triple makes. You'll hear it. The bike's 417 pounds soaking wet, so it's right in there with all the other bikes. You know, most of the sport bikes today, that's a real modern in a roundabout number for what these things are weighing. So the seat height here, you can see it's normal. I think it's 23, something like that. But anybody that's looking for a sport style bike, they're all going to be a little bit taller in the saddle like that. You know, some are lower. You can lower bikes all you want, but basically that's what you're dealing with. Now, let's see here. Controls, you know, you're simple. You have your high beam, low beam, your horn. This is left signal, right signal, cancel. This is a flasher you can see right there. You can even hear it. Get out of my way. That's basically what that says. So there's your left front, right front. This is right rear. Left rear. Just push to cancel. Okay, and then foot brake. handbrake. All right. So this bike has 5,126 miles on it, so not a lot. You can see the dash. It's pretty simple stuff. You have your gear indicator, your tack up top, speedometer, clock. You have your modes, your standard A and a B mode, which you can change that over here. And you can see A, B, standard. Your fuel gauge as well. So everything is right there. You can toggle it. This side, real simple stuff. You know, your hazards. This is to start it. To shut it off as forward. Pull it this way is to start, which we can do that in just a second here. There we go. All right. I don't know if I have to pull the clutch. I don't think so, but let's start this baby up.
When we service your bike, we hand you a key, not a need to have a toolbox.
Hear what this thing sounds like. Oh my Lord, listen to that. Initial impression is as soon as this thing fires up, it is a deep, deep growl. Oh yeah, there you hear it. Oh my God, that sounds good. Oh my. That triple's got the whine too. It just has that sound. Oh yeah, that sounds so good. Oh yeah, you're gonna love it. Whoever's getting this thing is gonna love that sound. You're just gonna rev it all over the place because it invites that quite a bit. Yeah, wow. So now look, every one of our bikes, see this battery tender? We have a 48-point check, so we're really trying to make sure that whenever you get a bike from cyclehunters.com, it's as close as we can make it to a new bike. Now, obviously, this has some alterations. They're really tastefully done, but we go through it, oil filters, basic stuff, check the charging system. It really just comes down to whatever the bike needs, it gets it. Simple stuff. So oiling the chain, lubing it up, doing everything that we can do. So when you get a bike, just jump on it, thumb the starter, get going down the road, enjoy the ride. It's really what it boils down to, is that we're just trying to make sure that you get something that you're just spending time riding and not fixing and doing anything else with. So this is ready to rock and roll. Gorgeous bike. If you are digging this 2014 Yamaha FZ09, give us a call, 717-273-1809. Now, you can see the full list of our current inventory at www.cyclehunters.com. You can email us at cyclehunters@gmail.com. We have aftermarket warranties available. We have some financing options available. We can ship bikes and deliver them if you're close enough. It just depends on what it is that we need to do to help accommodate you. So a gorgeous bike like that, or one of these in here, is just sitting there smiling, ready for you to thumb the starter and get going and enjoy your day. So give us a call. Don't hesitate. Check this out. If you got questions, comments, please put them in there. Like and subscribe, of course, as always. But until the next bike, happy riding.